Hi everyone. I have been out of cake decorating professionally for a while, but I've noticed that there's been a resurgence in buttercream, which really excites me because I prefer working with buttercream. Most of my brides wanted buttercream. I didn't do a lot of fondant covered cakes because they just didn't like it. So I like buttercream, but fondant was all the rage for a while. But I've been watching some buttercream decorating videos because I'm going to do some of those myself. I like piping. And I've noticed that they're using what they say is a 104 tip. Now, this is a 104. This is a petal tip, and it looks like a teardrop. It's narrow on one end, it's wider on the bottom. And that way, when you pipe the petal, the top of the edge is a little thinner than the bottom. And a lot of these videos that I've been watching say they're using a 104, but I'm looking at them going, that is not a 104 because the bottom part is too narrow. And I finally found a picture of one on a video, and I'll put it up here so you can see what they say is a 104 tip. That's not, it is a 104, but they've bent it, which is perfectly legitimate. I mean, you can bend tips, and I'm ready to do it with my little pinchers here. So when you're watching those videos, and I will make sure that I make it clear on mine that that's a tip that's been altered, and that's, like I said, it's fine to do. You can bend prongs. Sometimes they get bent on their own. You have to fix them. What you want to do is take the tip and just pinch it on the bottom, and you have to be careful that you're not going to do this too hard. Okay, now I've pinched it. See how much narrower it is right now? That is the tip that they're using on these videos, and it's very interesting, isn't it? So anyway, I'm going to post this, and I'm going to start doing some piping videos. Don't do this to your tips unless you have a 104 that you're not going to be damaging. This is technically not a 104 tip anymore. It's a 104 that's been messed with. And you can technically make the narrow end wider if you get something that you stick in here, like a skewer, like a little metal skewer or something, stick it in and just widen it out a little bit. And you could also get a flat piping tip and narrow those out. I went to Michael's, they didn't have any. They didn't have any flat tips. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I might have to order some more tips to do some experimentation. Subscribe to this channel, keep your eye on it because I'm going to be doing some more videos of piping with some piping tips and tips for piping with piping tips. I'll talk to you later.